If you could know only one thing about grammar, it would be the parts of speech. Just as there are 26 letters in the alphabet that spell all of the words in textbooks and library books, pamphlets, newspapers, there are 9 parts of speech that form an English sentence structure. The 9 parts of speech are article. Many textbooks include an article in the second category, adjective. In fact, an article is a special kind of adjective. I like to teach them separately because it helps me explain other parts of grammar and it makes it easier to just understand. Article, adjective, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Not all sentences use every part of speech, but there are some parts of speech that have to be included in the sentence to make it a complete thought. The arrangement of the parts of speech, or the syntax, the way that one word follows another, gives comprehension or meaning to the sentence. You speak English, so you'll recognize these words. Cream, dog, my, eat, likes, ice, too. Unfortunately, the arrangement of the parts of speech, the arrangements of those words, don't give a lot of comprehension to this sentence. But if I were to do this and arrange the words differently, my dog likes to eat ice cream. Arranging the words in a syntax or an order that is recognizable gives comprehension.